Today, I'm going to show you how to refund money on PayPal when the payment is on hold. Even if you're completely new to PayPal and you don't have a bank account linked, this process is very simple and works the same for everyone. When PayPal puts money on hold, it usually means the account is new, the transaction triggered a security check, or PayPal wants to confirm that the buyer actually receives the item. Even though the money is on hold, you can still issue a refund instantly. The refund doesn't use your PayPal balance or your bank account. It simply returns the money from the original payment. Start by logging into your PayPal account and going to the Activity section. This is where all your payments, refunds, and pending transactions appear. Find the transaction that shows the status on hold or pending. Click on that transaction to open the full details. Inside the transaction details page, scroll down until you see the Refund button. This button is available even when the payment is still on hold. Click Refund, and PayPal will ask you how much you want to refund. You can enter the full amount or type in a smaller number if you want to issue a partial refund. Once you confirm, PayPal processes the refund immediately. After you issue the refund, PayPal will show a confirmation message and the transaction status will change to refunded. The money goes back to the buyer automatically and the hold on the payment gets released on PayPal's side since the transaction is no longer active. You don't need a linked bank account or any extra setup for this. This is the entire process for refunding PayPal money that's on hold. It's quick, it's simple, and it works exactly the same for new accounts, business accounts, and personal accounts. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides.